Hello, ancient ones. Now I'll be continuing the series with this uh, map. Okay, I'll be writing the polyfill for the map here. So in the previous video, I have shown you what array.prototype does and why we use that function syntax over fat arrow syntax. Okay, so I'll be showing you what this does. Array.prototype. What I'll say is our own map. Okay, I'll just say our own map, and it will take a function just like the previous one. It will just take a function, and let us assume it will be here like let the temp, it will be a temporary array, because the basic functionality of the map is it will be looping through the array and it will be returning a new array. Okay, so basically for everything we'll be using this for loop, that is for sure. That is for that, like, we don't have any problem in that. So in this, like this, I also told you why we use this here, because this here refers to the array itself. So now what we'll do is we'll just push temp. Okay, temp dot push, because we will just want to return an array. Okay, temp dot push, like what we want to push here. So what this map actually does is it takes a callback. Okay, it takes a callback, and it performs that callback for every single time this component, I mean this for loop here cycles through. So what I'll be here do is callback. I'll call this callback with what parameters? With this index, because the first parameter should be the element itself, and the second parameter should be the index itself, and the third parameter should be the array itself. So this third parameter is optional. Okay, yeah, these both are optional actually, so if you want you can use them, if not, but in most of the cases we don't see people using this one, but we should try to implement the most out of it, right? So now we'll be doing this, and we'll be pushing this callback, calling this function. With this function will return something, and we'll be pushing that return item or value into this temp array here. So what I'll do here is simply just return temp. So now whenever I call our own map method, this should work fine. Okay, so now let me just try with this. I'll say const what should I say, like mapped array. Okay, I'll just say mapped array, and we already attached it to this prototype of array object, our own map. So I'll say r dot our own map. Yes, our own map, and I'll pass a function in this. Okay, as the first element, as the first argument, I get it. What I get is the item. Okay, item. And yeah, what I want to do here is, what is better than console.logging an item, like item. See, now I'll just console log this one. Okay, now we'll see what happens. Okay, oh, you're undefined. Yeah, basically we did not return anything here. Okay, what I'll do is just I'll return the item with from map. Okay, I'll say from map. Now guess what happens. See, all these items got appended with this text string called from map. So whatever we return in this here, it will be happening. Like you can make some fetch calls here. You can fetch data and do something, and then just return this. Okay, so it completely returns a new array. It doesn't modify this array, but it will be returning a new array into this mapped array constant. So yep, this is it for this video. Like we have successfully implemented our own map polyfill. So I'll just walk through what we did. We have an array here. I attached it to the prototype, and I created our own method, and I just gave it as function which takes a callback. This callback is a function which we pass, okay, here. So okay, we initialized something like this. Doesn't need to be a thing. I can display, this can be a const. Okay, so this can be a const and it will be working the same because we are just pushing the array, like we are not changing its value. So yeah, we have an index here and we're just looping through this. I told you about this here. This refers to the array which we are calling upon, and here it is this, and it pushes, and we'll just return this temporary array, we can call it whatever, and we'll get that value in this and we can use it further, like, okay. So this is it for this video. Thank you guys.